Hey, it's John. In the last video I showed you how to set up your app. We've now configured the template and can start customizing it. Before we begin, let's have a look at Soda's website. As you can see in the header, there is a red background with a white logo, white writing, and the background down here is a black textured background, so it's kind of grey. So in the header here we should have these sorts of colours, and for the background of the rest we should have this sort of colour. So keep the app comparable to the website. So to begin editing, simply select the Edit part of tab 1, because tab 1 is the home page. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is change the logo. To change the logo, make sure you're in the layout mode, and then simply click on the image you would like to change. It will bring up an element editor. To change the image, simply select the HTML option, and it will show you what image is present. To change this, simply press the little pencil beside it, and now this will bring up all of the images that are currently in the app somewhere. Okay, what you have to do now is simply upload any image that you'd like to go here. So this will be the logo for Soda, which is here. It looked like there was nothing there, but it's actually just white with no background. So I'll just simply press choose and apply. As you can see, it is there because you can see it just breaking the edge there. Okay, now to change the background. To change the background, simply make sure, instead of clicking the image, make sure you're selecting the whole cell of the table. As you see, it'll bring up all of this. This is what is already there. And then you simply select background. Go select background image. You click the same icon as before. And once again, you simply upload the background that you require to use. The background that I want to use is this red background here. So you simply press choose and apply. As you can see, the image doesn't quite fit in. So obviously there's some sort of padding here, so we'll just simply click on the image again to edit it slightly further. You then click on the metrics tab, and this will show you all of the margins, the height, the width of the image, and everything like that. As you can see here, there's padding top and left. For the padding top, you just want to leave it at 1, and we don't need any padding on the left, so simply put that as 0, and then press apply. All the changes will be applied. As you can see now, there's no padding as there were before. It was quite big, but you still cannot see the full Soda logo. So this means we have to edit the background and make that slightly bigger. So once again, make sure you're selecting the whole cell to edit the background. Click. And once again in metrics, you can see the width is 100%, which is what you want, and the height is 85. You can move this away. As you can see, you want it to come down to about here, I think is roughly where the bottom is. So I'm going to guess at about 125. And then apply, and there we go. Sorted. The next thing we're going to need to do is remove this green section here. So to remove this, simply select the HTML tab. Now for some of you that don't know HTML, this page is going to look very daunting. But we only need to remove this first division here. Okay, so the first division is signified by div. So you want to look for the open bracket div and where it closes, which is with the slash there. Okay, that's all we need to look for. Okay, and then delete that, and that's gone. That's as simple as that. Okay, now to edit the list items, the list menu, you turn your attention to this side of the screen here. As you can see, it says go to page 1, and then item properties. It has image, title, and link. So you want to change all of these. So for the first one, let's change it to menu. And as you can see, menu's changed here and here. The next one we're going to change this to is about us. We're going to have a cocktail classes, which is something they run at Soda. Then we have bookings. Bookings. Then we have gallery, and then a where these are just hypothetical things. So the next thing we need to do is edit the image of each of the menu items. So to do that, simply press the box with 3 dots under item properties image, and then upload which image you want. I would like to use this one. I would recommend uploaded it to the wrong part. For the where are we now, I would like to use this one here. There we go. Okay, for the menu, I'd like to use the other one. And because I've already uploaded it, you can just search. It was called news. So here we go, as it's already there. I will just use that one. About us. We will upload this. So I'm just going to go through and change all of the images. Simply uploading each image that you want. Then upload table bookings and choose. And using this for the gallery. There we go. Now, to change the background, all you have to do is make sure you clicked on the layout mode, select the whole, make sure you press background color, and choose black. Press OK and apply. And once again, it should save it, so you just press OK and apply on each one. So I'm just going to quickly go through. That time I didn't click it, so there we go. Background color, OK, apply. Okay, now that's all done. The next thing we have to do is change the links. So press save and done to return to the main menu. So now when you're at the home page, simply select which page you'd like to rename. I'm going to rename page 1-1 to 1-6 in the same name as everything that we've named before. So there we go, menu. One was called About Us. One was called Cocktail Classes. One was called Where We Are. One was called Gallery. And the last one was called Bookings. Okay, so now all the pages have been renamed. Simply go back to tab 1 and press edit again. Now, to change the links on the pages, simply select the menu item there, and what page it links to in the item properties. So you'd want this to link to menu. You would like about us to link to about us. You would like cocktail classes to link to that. Bookings to link to bookings, and so on and so forth. Once you've done all that, all of the pages and links are set up properly. The final thing we need to do is to change the colour of the links. To do this, simply select Editor Mode from the top. There, select the text and simply use the text colour. Then select white, as that's the colour we require. If you know the HTML code of the exact colour, then you can just put that in there and then press Insert. As you can see, it's now white. If you highlight the next one, it will save as well. So now let's go through and highlight them and insert them all. Okay, so now we've done that, we can simply press save and done, as we've now completed the home page. And as you can see, you can just click on them and all the links will go to the right places. In the next video, I will show you how to change the page types, editing tabs icons, using the galleries, using and integrating forms, how to use the social media tabs, and much more. Until then, thank you for watching.